Hey lovelies, welcome to or welcome back to my channel if this is not your first time being here. If you're interested in trying some crochet hair over your locks, or even if you don't have locks and you just want to try some protective styles so you don't have to do any like manipulation or damage to your hair, this is the video for you. Today I'm going to be showing y'all how I put this curly afro over my locks. Like, who said locks weren't versatile? Look at this. They're completely hidden. This is Human Hair from QVR Hair. That's who we're partnering with today. All of their information will be down in the description box below if you're interested. And if you have any questions about the hair, just comment below and I'll answer for you. I did crochet hair like maybe a couple weeks ago. I have a short video on my channel if you want to see, but like that wasn't human hair. This is human hair and it's just so cute and it's just so bouncy and soft. Like, I wish y'all could see how soft it actually is. I'm excited to show y'all that y'all can do whatever y'all want to do with your hair, regardless if you have locks or not. Like, you don't have to comb your hair out to do all the styles that you want to do. You can do whatever you want to do with your hair, and that's what I'm here to show y'all. So without further ado, let's get into the video. I'm gonna see y'all on the other side. Okay, so this is my little braid twist down, whatever you want to call it. I tried to get it as flat as possible, so I tried to make my rows like really skinny, but that's as skinny as I can get them. To get it flat, I just kind of twisted each lock back, like kind of into each other, how you would do a barrel twist. And then when I was done doing that, I just sewed the back all together to make sure it stayed in place. The hair came packaged as bundles, so because of the thread, it was a little tangled. So make sure you separate it one by one and make sure that you can get the install done very quickly. This is what the thread looks like. It's to make this install as flat as possible. Okay, so crochet hair is a little self-explanatory, but I'm going to explain it slow and normal speed as best as I can. First, you're going to put the crochet hook through your braid, and then you're going to take the little piece of hair and hook it right onto that like hook part, and then close the clasp and then just pull it through. Then once you got it pulled through, you're going to pull the rest of the hair through that little loop and tighten it. I hope that makes sense. Then here's it slowed down, so you're going to loop that crochet hook through your braid. Then you're going to grab the human hair, place it right onto that hook, then you're going to close the clasp, pull it right through, and then pull the rest of the hair through that loop that you created, and then that'll have it secure. Now, just in case my explanation was not good enough, I'm going to show y'all a couple more times throughout this video so y'all can get the hang of it.
Wake me and your child, and then won't lay today. Make me wonder who you might have been playing with. Makes me wonder who you think you're playing with. I'm just telling myself to keep playing this record back over and over again. Swear that you changed, but I know that's the end. On you on the scene, think you know your girl is so funny to me. That's why you think I left by one time. Got tired of your shit, you almost lost your mind. Long stay, call your name. You'll continue to try to play these games. Leave your family in the cold rain. And I don't think you'll ever change your ways. Cause our house is not a home where no one's there. So alone, no one's there. Should I move on since no one's here? What you got is good, that's why you refuse, let me walk out to life. You refuse to match up with my vibe. You keep wasting my time, you keep wasting my time. Don't you on the scene, so funny to be. That's why you think I left by one time. Got tired of your shit, you almost lost your mind. Long stay on the name. You'll continue to try to play these games. Leave your family in the cold rain. And I don't think you'll ever change your ways. Cause I have options, and I don't wanna tell you to drop it, but I don't wanna play your fair. Yeah, something that makes me look at you too often. Oh, baby, you can give it something. Baby, I can run all the time.
I'm talking crazy. I need you running my space, but I need it, baby. I'm late, but I still can check in with you. I know that I need my friends, but I wouldn't wanna leave. You know I wouldn't wanna bleed. Even my heart, my mind, and my body. My mind, my mind, and my body. My body says my mind, my mind, and my heart. My body says I don't know what it is. I can't tell you what it is, but you got me going crazy. Just you is so amazing. How long can you go, baby? At last till my body's so crazy. Baby, I'm talking crazy. I need you running my space, but I need it, baby. I'm late, but I still can check in with you. I know that I need my friends, but I wouldn't wanna leave. You know I wouldn't wanna bleed. Even my heart, my mind, and my body. I'm so cold, you got me out here. I've been taking on all this baggage, adding on so much weight. Had me thinking that I was average, when you really don't play.
Don't play with it, don't be dishonest. Ay. Still not understanding this logic. Ay. I'm back and I'm better. I want you bad as ever. Don't let me just let up. I wanna give you better. Baby, it's whatever. Somebody gotta step up. Somebody so next up. Be damned if I let them catch up. It's easy to see that you're fitter. I am on a whole nother level. Girl, he only fucked you over cause you let him. Fucking girl, I guess he didn't know any better.